Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share something real personal, how I built financial security by saving first and spending later. This is a mindset that completely changed my life. Since in college, I never hustled or juggled between part-time jobs, just one full-time job at the time that I devoted myself to. And I had a different approach than most people I knew. Instead of spending what I made, I saved first and then spent what was left. And let me tell you, that decision changed everything. Over time, my savings grew quietly in the background, like making money in my sleep. That's how I was able to buy my first car after 1 year, and eventually my first gated single-family home in the heart of well-developed city after 3 years, all on my own as a single woman. So in this video, I will walk you through the exact money saving strategies I used step by step. Whether you're just starting out after college or simply looking for a way to get more control over your money, these tips can help you to build financial security. Okay, let's start with the very first saving strategy. I called it Save as you spend without attachment. It's really simple. And no, I'm not talking about cashback deals or credit card points. This one is all about automatic saving. Here is how it works. Every time I spend money using my debit card, my bank automatically runs up the change to the nearest dollar and adds the amount to my savings account. For example, if I pay an insurance bill of $132.84, the system sends the extra 16 cents into my savings account. It's like carrying around a piggy bank that fills itself while I go about my day. When I first started working, I didn't have much to save, but this tiny habit helped me save without even thinking about it. It's not about cutting back or chasing after credit card rewards. It's just letting technology save for you automatically. Even if it's just pennies, those pennies add up over time. And the best part, you don't need a big paycheck to start, just a debit card and a little curiosity. Alright, strategy number 2, the high yield savings account or HYSA. This one is awesome because your money doesn't just sit there, it actually grows faster. And you can start with as little as $100. Here's the difference. Traditional banks might give you almost nothing in interest, sometimes just a penny or two a month. But unlike banks or mortgages can pay 4 to 5% interest, and that adds up faster over time. When I first found this out, I was like, wait, this is free money. I didn't have to do anything different. Just move my savings to a better account so that you can start making real cash. Just a quick heads up, not all savings accounts are protected the same way. Make sure the one you choose is FDIC insured or NCUA insured if it's a credit union. That means your money is protected by the government up to certain limits. Some mortgages offer slightly higher rates but without that protection, so it's really about what makes you feel comfortable. And one more thing, unlike banks sometimes take a bit longer to set up, Mine took around 10 business days before everything was verified and ready to go. So just be patient. Here is how I use mine. I keep just enough in my regular checking for bills or daily spending. Then I move the extra into my high-yield savings account where money keeps growing every day. And if I ever need more cash, I just transfer some back. Super easy. Here is a quick example. At 5% interest, $500 becomes about $526 in a year. $1,000 grows to about $1,051. And $5,000 grows to around $5,256. That's the power of letting your money do the work for you, and it will only go up. So once I had built up more from the first two strategies, I wanted to take it up a notch. That's where strategy number 3 comes in, the certificate of deposit or CD. The key difference is, with a high-yield savings account, you get flexibility. You can move money in and out as needed. With a CD, you commit your money for a set time, like 6 months, 9 months, or a year. And the bank rewards you with a higher interest rate. The trade-off? You cannot touch it until it matures, unless you're okay to pay a small penalty. Some banks also offer what's called a non-penalty CD. That means you can take out part of your money early if you really need to. No penalty fee, just slightly lower interest. That's what I went with, because I always like having that just-in-case option for emergencies. For me, CDs worked when I wanted to save for short-term goals, like buying furniture or a down payment for a car. The money was earning more interest than a regular savings account, and because it was in a CD, I wasn't tempted to spend it. So that's 3 easy ways I made my money work harder. No risk, just smart moves. Start small, stay consistent, and you will be amazed how fast it adds up. Simple steps that helped me reach my first goal. But I did not stop here. If you are ready to take one step further, in the next video I will share how to level up from here. We are talking about building a real long-term wealth. So don't miss it. Just hit subscribe and tell me in the comments which one of these 3 would you start with today.